One of the biggest questions that people and companies have when they're introduced to Power BI is, what does it cost? The answer depends on what kind of licenses you buy. Like most cloud services, the Power BI service operates on a subscription-based pricing model, where you pay a monthly price for a particular type of license, and that license gives you access to PowerBI.com and a host of different features. There are three main types of licenses for Power BI. If your organization has Power BI, you should be able to sign up for a Power BI free license, which gives you access to a personal workspace and some basic features. As the name suggests, the Power BI free license is totally free. You just need a school or company email address to sign up. Power BI Pro licenses are user-based licenses where each user gets a license of his or her own. Pro licenses are meant for the people in your organization who actually create Power BI reports and other content inside the Power BI service. They allow you to access shared workspaces where you can collaborate on Power BI projects with other people in your organization, and you can publish Power BI apps. Pro licenses normally cost $10 per user per month in the United States, and they're really good for small teams and developers who do a lot of work in Power BI. If you don't have a Pro license, you can sign up for a free 60-day trial after you've logged into the Power BI service. Power BI Premium is the pinnacle of Power BI functionality. It's a capacity-based license, meaning your school or company pays for a single license that covers your entire organization. In return, Microsoft gives your organization dedicated capacity on the Power BI infrastructure. This means that all your users in your organization can access reports and dashboards in the Power BI service, even if they don't have a Pro license. So this would cover your colleagues who don't build Power BI reports, but they need to be able to see and interact with the reports. I say that Premium is the pinnacle of Power BI functionality because it comes with additional features like more frequent refreshes of your data, machine learning and artificial intelligence tools inside Microsoft Azure, and some new kinds of reports. As such, the cost for Power BI Premium starts in the thousands of dollars per month. Most organizations either have Power BI Pro only, or they have Power BI Pro with premium capacity. If the organization has premium capacity, the Power BI developers and contributors get the Pro licenses so they can build the reports, and everyone else in the organization accesses the reports and dashboards using the organization's premium capacity. Other than the fact that Pro licenses are user-based instead of capacity-based, another chief difference between Pro and Premium is that Pro licenses don't get any dedicated capacity on Microsoft's infrastructure. If you're using Power BI Pro without premium capacity, you're still using Microsoft's infrastructure, but you won't get highest priority because you're not paying for that dedicated premium capacity. For example, that means if you set up one of your reports to refresh its data on a scheduled basis, you're limited to only a handful of refreshes per day, and these refreshes will often be delayed a few minutes to wait for some excess capacity to become available. You're kind of getting the leftovers, if you know what I mean. You still get a lot of functionality, but not as much as you would get if you had also purchased Power BI Premium capacity. If you need to know what kind of license you have, you can go to the Settings menu on the top toolbar and click Manage Personal Storage. This will take you to a page where you can see what kind of license you're currently using and how much of your storage allotment you have used.